What's going on, guys? Dr. Mike here again, and today we are giving you a little run through on the Queen's College step test and just a little tutorial about how to do that. So first things first, if you look on your individual data sheet, you will see on your pre-test here that you have a few different categories to fill out. So you want to make sure you select your sex, write in your age, your height in inches, your weight. You also want to convert that to kilograms. And when you're converting inches into meters, you take inches, multiply it by 0.0245, and that'll give you meters there. So 1.84 meters. Remember, to get kilograms from pounds, you take your pounds divided by 2.2. Age predicted heart rate max 220 minus age, so that's going to be 187. And then for the resting pulse count, now if you're doing the pulse count for 15 seconds, you're either measuring your pulse from your carotid artery or you're measuring it from your radial artery. You're going to count that for 15 seconds, and your resting heart rate would be whatever that number is multiplied by 4. I am using an app here that is going to hopefully show what my heart rate is. So we'll give that one a go here. And there we go. Nice little 79 beats per minute there. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is doing this step test here. Now I have got a metronome, and that is on my iPhone here. I have it set so it's at 96 beats per minute, or a 96 beat per minute step count. For men, that's what you want it at. For women, you want it to be at 88. I also have a little clock here that I'm going to be using. Now I do have it set for 3 minutes 15 seconds. I have that set for 3:15 just to give me some time to hit play and then get going with that. So I will get that set up and we will start going. I have my nice little step here in the background. The correct height for the step should be 16.25 inches. One of the things I don't have is a step that is that height, so I'm using my step ladder, and my second step is 18 inches, so a little bit close, but most likely it's going to give me a little bit too high of a result here. But anyways, we'll get this going, and we will start here right now. Alright, heart rate again, 160 beats per minute. Well, at least that is my workout for the day there. Alright, enter that in here. So if I enter this into the equation here, all I'm doing is going (1.33 minus 67.2 equals 44.13. So that is my estimated VO2 max right there. This puts me right in the fair category here. So not too bad, but there is your quick rundown of how to do the Queen's College test, and hopefully this help clears things up for you, and I will see you all here soon.